ever feeling any affection around here. No one comes to sympathize or listen to my weeping cries around here. I feel so scared, all they do is stand and stare, staring at me. There are too many people here, I wish I could just disappear. I can't breathe, oh, 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 could I please have some freedom? It's not like I don't deserve. Feel the sun. Locked up like an animal, treated like a criminal. Could I please have some freedom? I'm put into a cage with nowhere to escape. All I want is to be free. I dream of a foreign land where children have freedom in their hands. Unlike me, excitement on Christmas Day, and I'm crying my sorrows away, aching to be free. How can they just ignore me sleeping on the cold floor beneath me? Oh, 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 could I please have some freedom? It's not like